Hello everyone, my name is Jesh Patil. Today's topic is data collection and data entry. The data collection and entry are the fundamental process in many fields such as the research, business, operations, and the healthcare and the pharmacovigilance. They involve gathering relevant information and the systematically recording it to facilitate analysis, reporting, and the decision making. These activities must be precise and the constant, and as error can compromise the quality and the utility of the data. The data collection process of the gathering relevant and accurate information from a variety of sources. It is the first step in creating reliable data set. The main object is to ensure the data obtained is reliant, sufficient, and the accurate for its intended purpose. There are the various methods of data collection, which can be broadly categorized into two types. First one is the primary data collections. Involves the collecting data directly from the sources. It is original and tailored to specific needs. Methods and includes the surveys and the questionnaires. The structure forms used to gather quantitative and the qualitative information from the respondents. The interviews one-on-one interaction that provided in-depth insights, observations, the watching and the recording behaviors or the occurrences in the natural settings. The experiments. In experiment, the controlled scenarios created the specific hypothesis. The second method is the secondary data collections. It involves using data that already had been collected, and published by other entities. Example included reports and the publications, government, government reports, academic studies, and the market research. The database and the online resources. In digital libraries, subscription-based databases, and the publicly available datasets. The medical records and the logs. In healthcare, the patient histories and the clinical notes serve as rich secondary data sources. The practices in data collection, it's defined to clear objectives and the purpose of the data collections. Select methods suitable for the type of data required. Use reliable tools and the instruments to ensure accuracy. They maintain ethical considerations such as obtaining informed, the constant, and the ensuring confidently. Training data collector to minimize errors. Second is the data entry. Once data is collected, it must be entered into the system for storage, processing, and the data analysis. The data entry transfers raw data into structured information that can be easily accessed and interpreted. The process can vary depending on the tools and the system used, such as the database, spreadsheets, or specialized software. The steps in the data entry: the organize raw data, they arrange the collect data and systematically to avoid redundancy and the errors. The inputting data, the manually entering the information or using automated tools like optical character recognitions or direct digital uploads. Validating entries, cross-checking data entries to ensure the match the original source and their other predefined formats. The storing data, saving the data in the secure system to prevent loss and unauthorized access. Tools for data entry. The spreadsheet software, Microsoft Excel, and the Google Sheets, and the similar tools database system like MSQL and or cloud-based solution like Microsoft Access, specialized the software, the tools tailored for the specific industries such as EDC, means electronic data capture system in the clinical research. And there are some challenges in the data entry. The human errors, the mistake like typos or missed fields can affect the quality of the data. And the volume of data, the large data sets can be time consuming and prone to fatigue related errors. The compatibility issues, the inconstant formats or incompatibility software may be hide data integrations. The security risk, the sensitive data must be protected against breaches and unauthorized access. Thank you.